What is going up, guys? I hope you guys are all having a great and fantastic day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the Cash App Invest. We're going to be talking about how to use it, how to set it up, and stocks to buy, everything. Pretty much everything you could possibly imagine, we're going to be covering in the episode. So now before we get started, I need you to do me a couple of favors. The very first one is for you guys. Right now, we're doing the Xbox One giveaway for Christmas time. How you enter? It's super simple. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram at Trading with Carter, and then comment done so I know that you've done it. Now let's jump into the episode. Now the very first thing that you guys need to understand about the Cash App is how to smash that like button. Smash it hard. So now let's really jump into the video here. So as we pull up the Cash App here, you guys can see there's a ton of different things about the Cash App. They have the banking, the debit card, sending money, and then they do now have the investing and then recent transactions. So as we kind of go through and we kind of see it, so this is how you add cash if you have the debit card and how you add cash just to send it to somebody. So now as we continue to move through here, you guys can see that the Cash App has these things called Boost. So you guys can see you get $3 off AMC, $5 Bath and Body Works, DoorDash, AMC, and one that I always use is the $1 off any coffee shop, because I am a coffee drinker. That's all I do is drink coffee. So then as we continue to move through the app here, this is how you can send money and how to request money. But now what you guys wanted to hear, what you guys wanted to see is the investing platform. So as you guys can see, I have roughly $29 in my account, almost 30 actually. So as we kind of see, you guys can see we can either buy stocks or Bitcoin. So it's super simple on how to buy all of these. All you have to do is click buy, click the amount you want, and then if you want to do a custom amount, click the double dots and you guys can type in any amount of money that you guys want to add to it. But as we kind of go back to the stocks, because I did teach you guys how to buy Bitcoin in the previous video, but as we click the stocks here, you guys can see there's multiple different types of graphs that they have. They have the daily, they have the weekly, they have the monthly, and then the yearly. So they do have the line charts just because they're a lot more easier to read as compared to candlestick charts for beginners. Candlesticks have more information, but they're often used for more along the lines of traders and like big time investors. But if let's say you do want candlesticks here, all you have to do is hold down the button and you guys can kind of see some candlestick lines. It looks like they're kind of zoomed out, but that will still work. So as we kind of scroll down here, you guys can see the total amount invested, the total amount of your P&L or your gain or your loss. So as we kind of continue to go down here, we have your portfolio. So they do have Tesla, Advanced Micro Devices. This is all the stocks that I have because I am doing the $1 a day where I invest into a company. And we're going to be showing you guys how to buy a company in this episode. So as we kind of continue to scroll down, you guys can create a watch list, and that's where the following tab it comes in handy. So you guys can see I have Nike, Coke, AT&T, McDonald's, General Electric, and Walmart on it. As we continue to scroll down here, we have the most traded monthly. Very cool little sector that they have. So you can kind of scroll through it and see what stocks people are buying here. But as we see the biggest daily movers, we'll have stocks that are going up 10%, down 10%, and sometimes it's 30 or 40%, but right now it's only 10. Just because Cash App doesn't have like penny stocks. They mostly have like blue chip stocks or some mid cap stocks. Stocks that you know of, and stocks that are often worth billions if not trillions of dollars. Just because with penny stocks and small cap stocks, it's often hard to buy them on these types of platforms anyways. So I'm glad honestly that there's a place where we can kind of go and just buy the blue chip stocks. So as we continue to find a stock we want, we can either go and add to our portfolio or we can just buy a completely new stock. So it's super simple. And one thing that I like about it is you can buy a stock with as little as $1. If let's say we want to buy a stock and we're looking for it and they don't really have it, you can click this little search tab up here. and find one. So we're going to buy some Costco stock here. Click the Costco tab here, and as you scroll down, you guys can see they still have all the same graphs. And then another thing that they have is they do have all of the about information, so you guys can see what Costco has, pretty much what they have. I'm a member there, but they do have the share price, the company's value, and then the ticker symbol. I obviously wish they had more information in the details, maybe volume and float. So we're going to add this to the watch list first. So we're just going to click follow. Boom. Now it's instantly added to our watch list. Now the next thing we're going to do is click buy. And then if that's, say we want to have $2 instead of the $1, all you have to do is click these 3 lines here. And now we can do any amount of money over $1. So if that's, say you want to do $1.20, boom, you can do that. Or if that's, say you want to do any amount of money with any amount of change. So we're going to click $2. Actually, we're just going to click $1 because we're doing that challenge. We're going to click next. And now we want to make sure there's no fees. And thank gosh, Cash App doesn't charge fees. So you guys can see the fees tab, it says $0. And then it has the approximate shares of 0.003. It's not much, but honestly, since we're buying these companies, we're investing our money, it's better than not having any shares, in my opinion. So the next thing we got to do is just click this confirm button on the bottom. It's going to load. It's going to take a second to actually purchase the shares and buy them. So then it will say you purchased $1 of Costco. Click done, and then as we go back to our portfolio, you can see our total amount invested, and we just got the email. We got the total amount invested. It's now $30. As we continue to scroll through, there is Costco right there. Costco is looking good, and now we own a partial share of a company for as little as $1. How cool is that? I honestly do wish a lot more brokers were doing this. I know Robinhood sent me something, say they're in the works of doing something like that, but they're kind of late to the punch in my opinion. I think this is a sweet thing that the Cash App has, and I like how you can just put $1 or $2, and then over time, this is going to add up to maybe $1,000 or $2,000. They don't charge commissions. They don't charge any other fees, which I love. Another company that is very cool about the stock market and the trading world, but more for along the lines of traders, is Moomoo. You can get free level 2, free everything on the company. They do not offer fraction shares, but they do have no commissions. So you guys can check them out. There'll be a link down below. And if you guys want to get $5, I know I'm like shooting a lot of information at you guys right now, but if you guys want to get $5 for the Cash App, all you have to do is click a link down below, and there'll be my promo code, so you guys can go in and then get $5 to invest for free. How cool is that? Investing $5, but it's not your money. That's a brilliant idea, guys. So that is it though. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. And if you did, drop subscribe down below. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care. Don't forget about those $5 and the Xbox One giveaway. Take care. Peace out and have a good rest of the day. Bye!